Adjectives may have comparative and superlative forms. Last week we discussed comparative adjectives, so today we'll talk about superlatives. We use superlative adjectives to compare three or more things or people and to choose one of them which is somehow different from the others. Again, we need to divide all adjectives into short, long, and irregular ones. To make a comparative form of a short adjective, we add the definite article the in front of this adjective, and we also add the suffix est to the end of it. For instance, long, the longest, cheap, the cheapest, big, the biggest. If you watch the video about comparative adjectives, then you know that sometimes we need to double the last letter of the adjective, and it happens when the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant. To turn a long adjective into superlative form, again, we need to use the article the and also one of the two words, most or least, depending on what you want to say. Intelligent, the most intelligent. Entertaining, the least entertaining. Superlative forms of irregular adjectives are very different from these irregular adjectives, so try to learn them. Bad, the worst. Good, the best. Far, the furthest. Sentences with superlative adjectives have a very simple structure. They start with a subject, then goes the verb, then there is a superlative adjective, and the object of the sentence. Take a look at this. You're the best football player. She's the oldest in our family. So this is it. These are the rules. Now you know the difference between comparatives and superlatives, and hopefully you know how to use them correctly. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.